Please God, please let this thing be nice. Please let it be nice. My hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Okay, it do move. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomiwa Adebanjo, and on my channel I talk about natural hair and lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're a returning subscriber, then hi, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. As you can probably already tell from the title of this video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I take my hair from this fur ball, this I don't even know what to call it, but this, my hair is not a forest, but it comes pretty close, right? So I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to a really sleek low bun. Okay, so yeah, if this is something you're interested in, then please keep watching. And yeah, I'm doing this because for the first time in my life I got my nails done and I really like them. I think they're really cute. Anyway, enough about my nails. All right, so to the hair. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, if you've watched my videos and all of that, you probably remember me telling you that I only ever put my hair in a bun and use gel when it's close to wash day, right? So like after like 1 week after I wash my hair, that's when I begin to put gel and other stuff in my hair. But I just washed my hair today and I'm going to be putting a lot of gel in my hair because I want my hair to be as sleek as possible. Now the reason for this is I know sometimes we break our own rules, right? But the reason for this is I have a thing tomorrow. I have a thing, a really important thing, right? And by the grace of God, if everything goes well and I'm allowed to film at this thing, there'll be a vlog of this thing on my channel, maybe even before this video goes up, right? So I have a thing tomorrow, and the only hairstyle I can think of, or the only hairstyle that is calling my name, the streets are calling my name, God forbid, the only hairstyle that I can think to do is a low ponytail. So I'm going to be using the ponytail I made in this video. If you haven't seen it, then please go watch it. I'm going to be using that ponytail. So that's the only hairstyle that I can feel calling me. All right, so yeah, I mean, I don't want to wear a wig and I can't think of anything else to do. I don't want to do an updo. I'm just going to put my hair in a sleek low bun and wear my ponytail tomorrow, and hopefully by the grace of God there'll be a vlog. But anyway, I digress. This video is about how I'm gonna put my hair into the sleek bun so that I can wear my ponytail tomorrow. So yeah, if it's something you'd like to see, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is give myself a middle part. I always do a middle part. I don't know, okay, I do know my hair is not as long as it needs to be for me to do a sleek side part ponytail, so I'm going to do a middle part. That's why I always stick with the middle part using this rat tail comb. I've just given myself a deep middle part, and now I'm going to cut out this front section from the rest of the back, right, like this. Doesn't need to be neat, which is why I'm not using my rat tail comb to split my hair. So I'm just going to put this side away, and then I'll do the same thing on this other side. So now that that's done, I'm going to go into the back of my hair. Remember I said I just washed my hair, so my hair is about 90% dry. I haven't put in my leave-in conditioner or anything. So I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using the Bell Star moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and then I will seal with my Sunny Isle extra dark castor oil. But first I'm going to spray some water on my head. I'm always going with my leave-in conditioner. It's so weird doing my hair with nails. I'm almost out. And then I'm going to take my castor oil and seal my hair with it. Now that that's done, I'm going to take my detangling brush and use it to sort of smooth the hair, and then go in with my bristle brush for a final smoothing. And then I'm going to secure it in the ponytail using my ponytail holder. Now the next step would be to do the same thing on each side of my hair. So let me take this out. Now I'm going to brush. The aim of this step is to get it as flat and as smooth as possible. So if possible, I advise that you go in with like half of the amount of hair in the front, because the front is where all the business is. And just brush that down before coming to the rest. Then bristle brush. And now we're going to take some gel. I'm using the Eco Styler gel. I'm going to take some of that and apply it all over that section. I don't know how I'm supposed to grab this, but I think I'll use the back of my nails. Just slather it on. You need all the extra help you can get. And then with my bristle brush, and then we're going to take it to the back and add it to the bun already in the back. Now this is the exact same thing on the other side. Now this last step is very, very important. I'm going to take my Gorilla Snot gel. I'll take an excessive amount of this and slather it on my hair, okay? Just so it can be sleek. Don't worry, tomorrow is Sunday. By the time I'm done with tomorrow, I'll probably wash my hair again on Monday to get all the gel out. But for tomorrow, I don't care. I'm gonna slather it on so that my hair is as sleek as possible, because this stuff actually leaves flakes in my hair, right? I know it's going to leave flakes in my hair, but I don't mind as long as my hair is sleek tomorrow. So generous amount. This is what it looks like. So yeah, let's apply it. I would actually like to try doing an edge thing, some edge business, but I don't know how to do it, and my edges won't stay still. My edges are they're very thick, so they probably won't stay still. So I'm ending it at this Gorilla Snot gel. Whew, okay. After that, you want to go in with your bristle brush and brush everything in. I'm going to take my scarf and tie it around my head so that, you know, that will lock in the gel and keep my hair flat, mold it into, you know, as close to my scalp as possible. Now from this scarf, the pressure is only around my edges, so I need something to also mold this part of my hair that there's no pressure on. So I'm going to grab I'm going to grab another scarf. So hold on, I'll be right back. I have this scarf, right? And I'm going to use this. I'm going to tie this around the back of my head, keeping the pressure on that middle part. Keep it really tight. And then knot it. Yeah, it's tight. Ooh, it's really tight. But it's not gonna be for much longer. Right, so that's that. I'm going to leave this on. But I'm going to leave this on for a couple of minutes. In that time, I will do my makeup and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is probably about an hour later, maybe less, but I've done my makeup. I have my makeup done. I hope you guys can hear me because content creator struggles. There's a church beside me that, you know, they're having service. So yeah, let's take out the scarves and see what we have. Where's the knot? Okay, got it. Scarf too. Okay, brace yourselves. God, please let this thing be nice. Please let it be nice. Okay, ooh, let's go. Is it nice? Let me check my mirror. Oh my god, I don't think my middle part is not straight. How annoying. My middle part is not straight, but my hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Okay, it do move, but let's not upset it. Right, this is what my hair looks like. Oh my god, look at it. It's so shiny and slick. It's so gorgeous. I'm so in love. I love it so much. Yeah, so when it's time to wear my ponytail, I'll just pull my ponytail over my bun and that'll be it. But that's it for this hairstyle. How do I look, guys? Do you like it? Do you like it? I do, right? So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching it to the end. You know, if it was helpful, if you found it helpful, if you found this tutorial helpful, yeah, my nails are in your face. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go on and like this video, leave a comment letting me know, you know, I don't know, just gas me up, right? Right, so that's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. All right, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye.